Sambal goreng, sambal kacang, lombok kenceng, lawan petis.
Tempe is a word that has been mentioned in Serat Centini manuscript in the year 1841, as well as delay or soybean, as the raw material of tempe has been mentioned in Sri Tanjung manuscript around the 12th and the 13th century. Serat Centini and Sri Tanjung are ancient manuscripts that tell the life of Javanese people at that moment.
Berambang tempe mentah, kacambah kude kemangi, kang rampadan.
Tempe is known as a good source of vegetable protein that has a lower price than most animal protein sources. It also contains essential fatty acids, vitamin B, especially vitamin B12, and minerals including iron. Tempe can be easily digested and also contains antibacterial substances that can protect us from infectious diseases like diarrhea. Soybean is known as the second major ancient crop after paddy among the Javanese people. And black soybean is known as the original raw material of tempe at that time. In Indonesia, especially in Java, tempe can be made from various seeds and beans such as velvet beans or kacang bengu and white litri seeds or melanding. Tempe made from velvet bean is called tempe bengu. Tempe can also be made from the byproducts of vegetable oil industries such as peanut oil industries and tofu industries. Kacang bengu or velvet bean is one of the plants that can grow and have a high productivity in dry grounds. Since early time, Javanese women have practiced simple technologies to reduce cyanic acid content of velvet beans. The velvet beans are soaked with repeated changes of water and wood ash is added during the boiling process. This special process also makes the dehulling of the beans significantly easier. Here we can see the effect of the hulling process of velvet beans.
Bangsane jenengan sing gak Tentri kajukan pitisan sing sapa yang udah dikeringkan.
Tempe is produced through a series of steps, starting with soaking the substrate, boiling, inoculating with various microbia, and finally incubating at ambient temperature. The tempe fermentation process is well suited to warm local tropical weather. We can observe velvet bean tempe through various stages of development, starting before the incubation process, followed by several hours of incubation, and then after 36 hours of incubation. One of the favorite cuisines made from tempe bengu is senge bengu. To make this cuisine, tempe bengu is boiled with the other ingredients.
Ulek-ulek mengambilnya orang mantap. Disisihke sikit ta sing kental.
The traditional inoculum used to make tempe is called usar. It is prepared between layers of hibiscus leaves, known locally as daun waru, or teak leaves, known as daun jati. Usar consists of select molds, generally from a mixed culture of rhizopus species, and may also include a balanced community of other bacteria and yeast. In the plant taxonomy, white letricids or biji melanding is in the family of Mimosaceae of the clan Fabaceae. In Indonesia, this plant has been known since the 16th century. This plant plays a part in reforestation, protection of tea, coffee, and vanilla farms, and also in maintaining soil fertility. White letricids can be the raw materials of tempe. To make tempe melanding, the steps are boiling, soaking in acidic condition, dehulling, second soaking, second boiling, cooling, inoculation, wrapping, and incubation. The initial boiling with addition of wood ash makes dehulling the seeds easier.
Neng panjang kirim yang ulam pecel pitik jangan menir jangan podo Maratara madhep kang lagya memeti kileng-kileng akenye apa repepek lan betutu deng goreng kepuhan gorengan kate gulate empal abon
The inoculation with usar powder mixed with cassava flour helps lower the moisture content of white tree seeds. This is done to make the rhizopus species grow well. In most traditional markets, especially throughout Java and Bali, tempe is sold by women. They are joined by many other sellers who sell raw, semi-cooked, or ready-to-eat food products. Tempe melanding can be made into various cuisines such as tempe melanding goreng, tempe melanding bacem, and sengek tempe melanding.
Sambel kacang lombok kenceng lawan petis lalapan kacang ciper kacemeh terong miang timun